Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is a story. The Fox and the Crow. Once a crow stole a piece of meat and flew to a tree to eat it. A fox was sitting under the tree. He saw the meat and desired to have it. But the crow was far out of his reach. However, he soon thought of a plan to get that piece of meat. The clever fox spoke to the crow politely. "Hello, friend, how are you?" But the crow did not say anything. The crow was silent. The fox flattered the crow. "You are a lovely bird, and you are very charming too." Then the clever fox said, "I have heard that, besides being beautiful, you have a sweet voice. So please sing a song for me." Hearing this, the foolish crow became overwhelmed with joy. As the crow started singing, the meat fell down on the ground. The fox took it and ran away. The crow became sad and flew away. Moral: don't trust the flatterers. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.